5 Negative Green Tea Side Effects. Before you drink, watch this video. 1. Stomach issues. When brewed too strongly or consumed on an empty stomach, green tea may cause stomach irritation. Green tea contains tannins, which can cause an increase in stomach acid. Excess acid can cause digestive problems such as constipation, acid reflux, and nausea. Brewing green tea with too hot water can aggravate these side effects. Brew your green tea with water that is between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. When consumed in large quantities, green tea can also cause diarrhea. Caffeine causes constipation by stimulating the colon muscles to contract and release more frequently. This causes more frequent trips to the bathroom and can cause stomach upset. Avoid green tea if you have irritable bowel syndrome. Avoid drinking green tea on an empty stomach to avoid these side effects. Instead, drink green tea after every meal. Avoid green tea if you have acid reflux or stomach ulcers because it can increase acidity. 2. Migraines. Green tea contains caffeine, which can cause headaches in some people. Green tea can be consumed on occasion by migraine sufferers. If you have daily headaches, you should avoid drinking green tea every day. If you are sensitive to caffeine, avoid drinking green tea. 3. Sleeping issues. Green tea contains caffeine, which is antagonistic to sleep. Green tea contains very little caffeine, but it can still cause sleep problems in caffeine-sensitive people. This is because the chemical compounds in green tea inhibit the release of hormones that aid in sleep, such as melatonin. Green tea also contains L-theanine, a chemical that helps to induce calm but also increases alertness and focus, which may interfere with sleep for some people. Some research suggests that L-theanine improves sleep. However, these studies have primarily been conducted on people with disorders such as ADHD and schizophrenia. 3. 4. According to additional research, L-theanine may aid sleep by lowering heart rate via the inhibition of glutamate receptors in the brain. The presence of caffeine in green tea, particularly matcha green tea, may outweigh these advantages. While research indicates that L-theanine is beneficial for sleep, the medical community has not agreed on a dosage for its effectiveness. While most people can benefit from a cup of green tea before bed, caffeine addicts should avoid it. 4. Iron deficiency and anemia. Green tea contains antioxidants that prevent the body from absorbing iron. According to a meta-analysis, this side effect is especially dangerous for people who have anemia or other diseases that cause iron deficiency. 6. In one case study, a 48-year-old businessman who consumed 1500 milliliters, 6 cups, of green tea every weekday for 7 years developed anemia. Add lemon to your tea to avoid this side effect. Lemon's vitamin C promotes iron absorption, which offsets this side effect. Alternatively, drink green tea 1 hour before or after eating. This allows your body to absorb iron without being inhibited by tannins. If you have anemia, avoid drinking green tea. 5. Vomiting. Excessive consumption of green tea can cause nausea and vomiting. Because of the way proteins bind in the intestines, tannins in green tea have been linked to nausea and constipation. 8. If you are a regular tea drinker, limit yourself to no more than 4 cups of green tea per day. If you're new to green tea, start with 1 or 2 cups per day and see how you react. Increase your consumption only if there are no negative side effects. Thank you and stay safe.